Hak arau sodrik uni benai ke kiang nang ba Government College Students Union KNGCSU hapo iya kemat ke union wa kat arngut ki ksok kam wa upressure star stand kam president depan man gi jaga lang pungkup buram ya gua depan dep ye pure putih nemo ke graduation ceremony ne banta ke class of 2023 hai wa Aden Miller besau might MLA dewan ukam kongsan dewa emlang le edelbat nongrum MLA wa bright star well marbanyang MLA kam gi sumbol kongsan dai lang wa gi wi wa cha pynsñiaw bha ki wa hayung hasem gi wa depan dep ye pure putih ki HOD ki wasikai wa ki wi de ukongsan dai lang wa gi sumbot kongsan de sam gi le ya certificate of appreciation cha union wa gi kusnam kam ga merit award wa all round performance award cha gi khat lengot ki wa le ba hai pure putih wa depan lai le ya magazine ke college dai liang pressure star stand de e wi gi kinten pediang snyaw bha de wa khana le wa ini to isen mon kong wa kam ga union depan man ya gi graduation ceremony han la man ga wa khiat mto ka ma ye gi college for puman de ko he de yulti wa hagi sne mo wan naw man ga gorap he cho cho de khanau le ye duna ha pa college sedo itung ya ki assistant lecturer gu de monthly hadin wa de em ko bon gu de chongnya i wa kta bha ya gi khana yo ye gi pendep ya lenong kam te de kentu ya gi ni gi le MLA gu em ha liang pyrchah wa Wyrta ya ini khmat ke sorkar nei liang US lelu HOD Political Science de ewe klam ne benta ke principal kom yo wo em lang ha ni gesngi na gi dawam ye kier ne liang ki wi ki wa klam de egi kinten MNC ne gi khana wo ble ki kat wa ye ibor yong ki wa de kit bok kit briang ki yaki ne benta ke merit yong ki ya ga yelang de bangkut de kinten e kublai na wan salan lang do secretary ke sports and game KNGCSU wa de yo le ye a ye ukek de kwang san wa de mukut da ka ye le kmen
who is sitting here on the stage, and to all the teachers teaching and the non-teaching faculty of the college, to you the graduated students, and to all of you the members of the union, that is the students of the first, the third and the fifth semester students of the college. So on behalf of the KNGCSU Government College Students Union, I, the President of the union, stand here with an honor and privilege for me to welcome Sir Aden Miller, our chief guest of today's program. Our guests of honor, Sir Bright Starwell Marbanyang and Sir Adelbert Nongrum, who is on the way, who is here coming to join, can give the report of our work during 1 year of the term. And the students can showcase their talents in writing of an essay, poetry, art and craft, painting, drawing, and many more. And in the magazine, we can showcase all the programs and events of the union during the year 2022-2023. And I also like to mention here that about this magazine, I would like to mention that about this magazine, it is specifically of the students' magazine, which the office bearers of the union has taken initiative to publish it. And KNGCSU Government College, Juba, is the only government college in all the Jantia Hills, that is both East and West Jantia Hills, and was established in the year 1967. 1967, that is before we got a statehood. And the top priority of the union is to make the college as the college whom the students of the Jantia Hills feel proud of, and get all their needs and to make them more competitive with others by studying here in the only government college in Jantia Hills. From time to time, the union has put a demand to the government of slow requirement for the post of assistant lecturers, which are left empty since so many years, especially like in the department of Hasi. They are facing, the students and the assistant lecturers, they are facing very badly. And in the department of botany and zoology, in this department, they are facing very badly due to the slow retirement, due to the slow recruitment because of the retirement of the assistant lecturers, and the posts are left empty since so many years. These two problems are the big challenges that the students and the college are facing very badly. And yes, there are many more. You may wonder why I'm bringing this problem here. I would like to clarify here. I'm bringing it here with a hope and humble request to all our speakers, and Sir Adalbat will be coming to join our program who is on the way. I'm bringing here this problem here with a hope and a humble request as a small leader of the union, with a kind request to all our members of our proud assembly, that is the MLA Legislative Assembly, who is in opposition inside the house, with a kind request to all. On behalf of the union, I would like to request you kindly bring forward these problems that our college and our students are facing very badly. Okay, I really would like to request you kindly bring these problems into the government, and we do really hope that through your great voice, we hope that, and I hope that all of us here, we hope that through your voice, the government will hold our demand, which we demand from time to time, that is especially infrastructure, which we are facing very badly. Because as I mentioned, that our college now has becoming very congested, especially due to as our college has accepted, as we have agreed with the grade B from NAC, and our college now soon will be starting with the integrated course, 4 years integrated course, that is BA, BEd and BSc, BEd. Now our college is becoming very congested. So I would like to once again thank all the two of you and Sir Adalbat Nongrum, who is in the same party, along with you sirs. Kindly, I request you on behalf of the union, kindly bring this problem to us. You may raise a problem inside the house, because we really hope that you as the dynamic leaders of our state as well with us, that we do really hope that a problem that our college are facing very badly, the government will hold our demands for the betterment of all the students of the Hills and our state as a whole.
I have given a speech on behalf of the principal and the college administration. I would also like to thank my friend, our president of the party, Aden and Adalbat Nongrum, and all the distinguished guests who are present here at the dais. Yes, today is a special day, especially for the class of 2023. Yes, I would like to ask you to recall the first day that you entered this college. In no doubt, when you came in, most of you came in as a boy and a girl. But today, the 24th of August 2023, hopefully many of you will leave this college as a man and a woman, full of responsibility. And I would also like to remind each and every graduate present here today, yes, this is your day of success, but please remember your roots, from where you came from. And more so, today is the day of victory and success for you. But as part of your journey, please remember that your parents have also played a very important role, which without them, you wouldn't be who you are today. And we would also like to thank all the teachers of Kyangnomba College for having given the best to all your students. And the results is here for everyone to see. And I would also like to remind all the students present here today, and especially all the graduates, that When we talk about education, it reminds me of what our former ex-president of India, the late Abdul Kalam, when he visited our college in St. Anthony's College, he said, when he talked about education, according to him, he said, education is a process of transition from what you get to what you can give. Education is a process of transition from what you can give, from what you get to what you can give. And hopefully today is the day where each and every graduate, you have now become a graduate, and I hope that it is all these 3 years that you are here in this college. It is a time where you are receiving knowledge from this institution, from your teachers, but now is the time for you to give back to the society from what you have received from this institution. And I would also like to remind that no matter what we do, I hope that this institution have taught you to be truthful to yourself and to the society. And I would also like to remind, if you happen to have your 10 rupees note or 20 rupees note or 50 rupee note or whatever, you will find that within our currency there is a word that has been inscripted. That is Satya Meva Jayate, which translated into English, it means truth alone triumphs. And I hope that each and every one of you, especially the graduates of 2023, when you leave this institution, you will be the torch bearer of truth. And it gives them this Chinese bamboo, the roots, which gives them the foundation, where even if it grows 130 feet, but it won't fall. Therefore, I hope that your time that you have spent in this college, 3 years, but it will be the defining moments of your life, that today, as you graduate from this institution, you will be able to stand on your own feet, and not just stand on your own feet, but I hope that you will be able to contribute to the society at large. It will do wonders even to you. For me, I believe in this motto: always give your best. Always give your best, and leave God the rest. Thank you, God bless, and all the best to all the graduates of 2023.